Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna move forward. Hopefully there isn't an echo. Okay, no, yeah, let's just stay here. Okay, so guys, it is exactly a week since I did my last silk press, and I'm just like, I'm trying to wash my hair because it's an extreme sport. Last night I slept without wrapping my hair and without sleeping with satin bonnet or turban or whatever. I just slept with my pillow. Don't know if you can see, like this. What is that? Anyway, needless to say, I'm just over this whole press life, so I just want to wash my hair and move on. But yeah, I mean, it's been fine, but guys, living with a silk press, and honestly I don't know how people with straight hair do it anymore, like, because I just can't, because I want my hair to look on point all the time. And with straight hair, like, you can't have half right? Straight, like, used to be straight and well curled or really straight, like, look good, but then when it starts like frizzing and looking like janky, it just doesn't look cute, you know. Whereas with an afro, you can do things. You can put it in a high puff quickly, you know. You don't have to like apply heat. You're not afraid to gym when you have an afro. Like, I'm just not free. So I just want to be set free. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and I will be doing a protein treatment again. I did a protein treatment, a strengthening treatment, protein treatment, strengthening treatment, same, but just different names, because silk press, it like weakens your protein bonds. So I want to restore my protein bonds, just give my hair a bit of love, give my hair a bit of strength. So that's why I'll be using a strengthening treatment today. I feel like I should be closer, father. Anyway, so yeah, washing my hair, and then I'll be doing a protein treatment, and then I'll just go about my usual afro life. So let's go. It's already happening. We're back. Is this still water? Y'all cute. Y'all scared of the silk press, but listen, if it gets done by the right person, just splash. Look, it's already back. I'm back. No heat damage, nothing, boy. What is it? Like, I'm done. That's it. I don't know. There's nothing else I can show you. Just add water and we're done. So here is my hair. So if I had heat damage, this would not be happening. There'd be some straight lines or wavy lines or stuff going on. So yeah, this is my hair currently. I actually found that my hair responded much faster to water this time. I think it's actually because my hair was straightened, or maybe because it's, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like my hair responded faster to the water. Last time it took some time for my coils to come back. It happened a lot faster this time. But yeah, see, the coil's back in full effect. I've actually deep conditioned, and this is the leave-in conditioner. I apply leave-in conditioner on my hair while it's dripping wet. Just makes my life easier. And then yeah, I'm just gonna put my hair into, what am I doing, twists? I think I'm gonna do twists or braid out, but I wish there was more I could tell you, but this is it. I just do a protein treatment, then it's back. Yeah. Maybe I should do like a after to show you what my hair looks like when it's dry. So yeah, let me do that actually. Anyway guys, that is my wash day post my silk press. I have no heat damage, and that's why my hair was restored back to an afro. If you have heat damage or have relaxed your hair, you can't undo that process, so you basically need to cut your hair from scratch. So make sure you go to somebody who's a trained professional to do a silk press. Please feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.